Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Lay the table for dinner. Lay the table for dinner. Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist. The milk turned sour. The milk turned sour. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. You will get wet. You will get wet. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. Untie the knot. Untie the knot. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. No idea. No idea. Tuck your satin. Tuck your satin. Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Blow out the matchstick. Blow out the matchstick. Why not? Why not? Wake up. Wake up. Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts? You are my namesake. You are my namesake. Did anyone hit you? Did anyone hit you? Don't worry. Don't worry. How do you feel now? How do you feel now? Heat up the food. Heat up the food. Not you. Not you. Who was yelling? Who was yelling? All were drowned. All were drowned. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Look what I found. Look what I found. Never eat stale food. Never eat stale food. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. He is kind. He is kind. The milk has boiled. The milk has boiled. Get ready. Get ready. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. He did it tactfully. He did it tactfully. Have some patience. Have some patience. Wring it out fast. Wring it out fast. You can count on me. You can count on me. He is very diligent. He is very diligent. What if they refuse? What if they refuse? Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Hurry up. Hurry up. How much? How much? She ruined my life. She ruined my life. He looks very tired. He looks very tired. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. Don't discredit him. Don't discredit him. It rained all night long. It rained all night long. How stupid. How stupid. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Tomatoes are very appetizing. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.